In this support video, we will be replacing the microwave door. Open fully the microwave door. Locate the two hinges on each side. With a screwdriver, lift and pull down the lever for each side. While holding the microwave door on each end, partially close the door and gently lift. This will release the door from the side hinges. With your new door, gently place back into the hinge opening. Once in place, lift the lever up on both sides. Push back down the hinge lock. This completes the installation.